Okay. Hi guys, just wanted to show you what I received today. So I'm planning to do an aftermarket speedometer on my K100. So I got the BEP instrument conversion box, which works for K1, K75, K100 and K1100 from Maru Labs. So looks like this. You got here to connect your pins, and here you will be connecting your aftermarket speedometer as well. So as you know, this is the OEM speedometer, this big, called the lunch box. I'm trying to convert my K100 to something in between a scrambler or a cafe racer. So I really need to change my speedometer. So basically it's supposed to be plug and play. So we'll see today how easy it is to connect this. As you see, it's the same connectors in the back. And then I got two cheap Chinese speedometers from Amazon, which I'm gonna try today and see which one works best. I got this classic circle one, which I think is nice, but I have the second option just in case, to see how it looks and also how it works. This one, which is bigger, and it's supposed to be completely digital and everything. Both of them came with instructions, so we'll see how it easy or not to work with this Chinese stuff. As well, this one comes with instructions. So let's see how it works. See you soon. Hi guys, so this ended up being more complicated than I thought. So remember, I had my aftermarket speedometer. I decided to go with this one, not the other one. So basically what you need to get is one of these boxes I got from eBay. So the speedometer comes like this with these cables. So basically you need to find get one plug like this to connect, and then the cables. So when you get that plug and you get these small metallic parts, you have to put one like this per each cable, and then using the instructions you got from the company that made this, you have to classify your cables. So I finished doing this. So I put a cable per each, and then I included some masking tape, including if it's a positive and what's the cable for. For this one it's a negative, and it's for the faulty engine signal. We have turn signal, battery signal, positive or negative. So I want to show you how this, when you finish that, let me show you how this works. Keep in mind, we haven't even connected to the Maru Labs, not yet. This is before. So basically I want to test the speedometer before connecting. So let me show you why I decided to go with this one. First, I didn't like the round one because it's too classic and too small for me. This one, it's nicer, I think. Let me show you. So I got my battery, and then you have two important cables. One is the negative or the ground. So it's like a one negative for all, I think, but you'll see. So it's the negative. I'm gonna connect here. So we got the negative. And then there's another one called electric door positive. So first time I saw that, I was like, why this motorcycle doesn't have door? So door, I think, comes from the switch when you turn it on. So that's the meaning of that's what they want to say. So you got to connect the positive here. And then as you see, it turns on. And then you can start to test one by one, checking if it's positive or negative. So here I have the left turn, which is positive. I know because I saw here on the instructions, so read the instructions first. So then, as you see, I have showing the left turn on the screen. I don't know if you can see the screen. So left turn, then you can see it's not blinking because it doesn't have a relay here, but when you connect to the Model Labs, I don't know if the Model Labs or the motorcycle has the relay to make it blink, but now it's just to see if it works. Then I have one called high beam. I think, yeah, it shows the high beam here, as you see in blue. I have battery, which is not showing anything. I have to connect to the motorcycle to see if it will show something. I got fuel, which the same, it's not showing anything by now. It's just showing the entire. It's like make it clearer or something. I have to connect it to the Model Labs and see if it works. I have the speed. It's not going to show any kind of speed right now. And then right turn, as you see, here's the right turn. So there's another group of cables, like smaller. The first one had 9 cables, and then the second one is this one, 6 cables. So I ended up doing the same process, getting one of these, having 1 cable per each slot, and including one of these, connecting here, and then you get something, and then classifying. The second one is for the gears. So we have from neutral to first, second, third, and up to the 6th gear. We don't have 6th gear in K100 until the 5th, so I guess the last one we won't connect, and that's it. So after you have your plug ladies, you have to plug it again here. Should be easier. I don't want to damage these. Maybe I did. No. Okay. When it sounds like that is working. So all of these are negatives. Let me show you from neutral to then all the gears. So you got neutral, the end there. Then the same, right? So we got the 4th, it's gonna show 4. We got 5th. We got whatever. I know it's working. I did that before, and then I have like two more. One is called backlight. So this one, it's a positive, and then it makes a little bit darker when I connect this one. So I think this one should be something related to the lights. When you turn on your lights, maybe this one works, so it makes it a little bit darker. I'm not sure how this one's gonna work. I have to figure out when I connect to the motorcycle. And then I had another one. Oh, the 6th gear that we are not going to use this time, but as you see, it's one of the capabilities of this speedometer. So as you see, I think it's gonna fit nicely. So next time I'm gonna show it how it works, connect to the motorcycle.